Hi, third graders. Today you're going to be taking your Chapter 7 test for social studies. So you should have a test paper that looks like this. You are going to pause this video, do the best you can at answering these questions. When you're finished answering all the questions, unpause the video. Check over your test to see how you did. First, we'll take a look at the directions. The first part of your test says put the countries in sequential order based on the order that they arrived in North America. So your word bank is over here. Your three choices are France, Spain, and England. So whichever of these countries, explorers from these countries got to North America first, you would put them on line number 1. Whichever of these three arrived in North America second would go on the second line, and the one that arrived third would go on the third line. Then, for the next part, you are going to circle the correct answer below. Number 1, who believed in permanent settlements? Was it the Europeans or was it the Native Americans? Circle one choice. Number 2, who believed that land belonged to everyone and should be shared? Europeans or Native Americans? Number 3, who believed land could be claimed by one person? The Europeans or the Native Americans? Number 4, who believed once land was claimed they had the right to keep others off of it? Was it the Europeans or the Native Americans? And number 5, who believed that land was like the air, the great sea, as well as the earth? They were for all of us to use. Was that the Europeans or the Native Americans? So again, you're going to pause this video, take your pencil and answer these questions the best that you can. When you're finished, unpause the video, check over your work, and see how you did. All right, let's check over your work and see how you did. The first explorers who arrived in North America were from Spain. The second group were from France, and the third were from England. Who believed in permanent settlements? The Europeans. Who believed that the land belonged to everyone and should be shared? The Native Americans. Who believed land could be claimed by one person? That was the Europeans. Who believed once land was claimed, they had the right to keep others off of it? That also was the Europeans. And who believed that land was like the air, the great sea, as well as the earth? They were for all of us to use. That was the Native Americans. Take a picture of your test and post it to your Seesaw journal.